Hello AHS students. I'm creating this video today to show you how you can use your bring your own device in our school, and what I mean by that is how you can log onto our wireless, and most importantly how you can access your Google Docs or print any file from your own device on our school printers. First things first, if you have your own device, you need to connect yourself to our wireless network. Depending on what kind of computer you have, it'll be something like this where you have to click on your wireless network choices. And we have a lot of them, so make sure you look carefully. If you are a freshman, you'll take HSGR, which stands for grade 09, sophomores 10, juniors 11, and so on. You click on the network, hit connect, and it's going to go through the process. As it's going through that process, you may or may not have to open up an internet browser. I'm going to go ahead and launch Internet Explorer here. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask me to authenticate on the network, and it just takes a couple seconds. We'll wait here for a little bit. Okay, depending on what browser you use, you'll get an error similar to this saying, there's a certificate that's not trusted. Go ahead and trust it and hit proceed anyway. And then it's going to ask you for your username. Your username is your last name _ first name. Your password is your initial, so first initial, last initial, and then your 4 digits of your ID. Just like you would log in on any district computer. Go ahead and hit submit, and then you are on our wireless. Alright, now once you have that wireless connection, again I know I have it because it says I'm connected down here, you need to be able to access Google Chrome. And the reason is that we use Google for cloud printing. So if you don't have Google Chrome on your computer, you'll need to download it. And you can do that by going to any internet browser. I'm just going to open up Firefox here. And if I do a Google search for Google Chrome, it's my first hit. It says right here, Google Chrome download. Just click on the link and follow the download instructions, and you'll download Google Chrome. Once Chrome is downloaded, it looks like this. It's the Google icon. It looks up. It'll get you this google.com screen. Once you're in google.com, you're going to go ahead and hit sign in. This sign-in is different than the one we just did for the wireless. This is different than your typical district login, but it's kind of close. The first thing you're going to do is type in your last name, and I'm going to use a dummy account here, _ your first name, and then it's going to be @ashwaubenon.k12.org. Okay? Your password is one of a couple things. It could be, if you've never used Google before, it could be capital G, 00, lowercase g, capital L, lowercase e, exclamation point, exclamation point. That's preset. If you need to go back and pause this video and rewind and listen to that again, you can. However, most of you who used Google last year, whether it was at the middle school or at the high school, whether you used it one time or not, it asks you to change your password. So you all preset your password to something that you know. If you forgot what that password is, you can come to the library, and myself, Miss Matthew, or Mrs. Jansen can reset that password for you. We don't know your password. All we can do is reset it. Once you're logged in with that password and username, it says it up here, so I know I'm logged in. And now I'm into my Google Apps account. Up here, if I click on Drive, okay, it says ashwaubenon.k12.org. This is where I would access any files. I can create files, like I can create documents, spreadsheets, forms, just like you would in the Microsoft version. Documents just like Microsoft Word, presentations just like PowerPoint, spreadsheet is just like Excel. You can just create things right here and print them. Okay, very easy. So if I created a doc, it looks just like Word. Okay, I'm just gonna write a test document. Got to change the name up here. Hit OK. If I go to File, Print, okay, it's already printing to the library 1. If I try to change this printer, my choices are LMC1, LMC2, and LMC Color. Okay, I can do that, hit print, it prints that document to a printer. And I can do this from any device that we have, any device, whether it's your own device that you brought in, whether it's Apple, an iPad, an Android tablet. It can be anything as long as you're using Google Chrome. Now let's say you used Microsoft Word and you need to print a Microsoft Word document, or you use Pages on your Mac. I can hit this up arrow, I can hit File, and all I have to do is browse for that file type, hit Open. I'll go ahead and upload that up. It's taking a minute here. Okay, there it is. It finished, and now it's here. If I go ahead, I can click on this document. Yep. Just going to say, got it. I'm going to open it. And now what this is, I can't go in and edit this document anymore. It kind of makes it like a picture. But if I have my Word document done, let's say you're writing a paper, it's all done. I can now go to File. I can go to Print. And right now it's just looking for its destination. Let it catch up here. I can pick LMC1 and I can hit Print, and there I'm able to print any type of file type. Again, it doesn't matter. It can be a Word document, it can be a Pages document, it can be anything, and it's right here. So basically, essentially what you're doing is you're getting rid of the need for a jump drive. You can just use your Google Drive account as that virtual space that allows you to print from your own device. You don't have to go to a district-owned device to print anymore, and you have the capability to print to any of the LMC printers, LMC1, LMC2, or LMC Color. If you have any questions, feel free to stop in the library. Thanks and have a great day.